Yeah. I've got some seeds of macadamia. I want to see if I can plant them. So I'll show you step by step what I'll be doing. Yeah, I'll put them into water for a day or two. Then I'll put in a airtight bag to see if they germinate. So stay attentive to see the procedure that I'll go through. So subscribe to my channel as you'll be watching this macadamia fruits turning into live trees. So sooner or later I'll show you the full video of how I prepare this macadamia. Can show you. You see, so after crushing I obtain a very nice macadamia fruit. You see, so this is edible. I'll eat as follows because it's sweet. Yeah, it's not even contaminated by the packaging, so it's fresh like others. This is nothing. You see, nothing in it. This one has got a nut, weak one but sweet. So I'll transform this macadamia into seedlings. I'll put them into water to ease the crackdown of the shell. As you can see how deep the shell is. So if you put it into water, you weaken the wall and then you easen the shooting of the germinating seedling. And then I'll put into an airtight bag to see if I manage to transform this macadamia fruits into seedlings. So don't forget to subscribe and follow me as I continue the procedures. Until then.